Welcome back to myaperks.com. My name is Miriam, and today I will show you how you can create PowerPoint slides with ChatGPT in less than 30 seconds. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT and ask it to write a VBA code for a PowerPoint presentation. You can type something like, write VBA code to create a 10-slide PowerPoint presentation about your chosen topic. In this example, I'm creating a presentation about dog shelters and fostering in the United States. You can also ask ChatGPT to include specific design elements or layouts. For example, you can request that the slides have a blue background with white text. If you don't specify the design, ChatGPT will generate a basic presentation layout that you can customize afterwards. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate the VBA code for you. Once the code is ready, simply click on the copy icon in the top right corner. Next, open PowerPoint and make sure that the Developer tab is active. Click on the Developer tab and then click on Visual Basic. Next, choose Insert and Modal. Paste the code you just copied from ChatGPT into the VBA editor. Important note, make sure your code starts with a sub-statement and ends with an end sub-statement. That way, you have a properly defined macro and won't get an error message. After pasting, save the script and then press F5 or click on the Run button to execute the code. Instantly, PowerPoint will create a presentation with the slides you specified. You can then further tweak the design by assigning it to any of the layout templates available in PowerPoint, and even add images, icons, or any other element you desire. See how easy that was to create a PowerPoint presentation with ChatGPT? It's gonna save you guys so much time. If you like this video, also check out the video I made around Google Slides and ChatGPT. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, like, and comment to this video. I will see you guys soon.